My brother declared our mother legally incompetent so he could force her into a facility and sell our farm. Sir, you obtained emergency power of attorney to liquidate a 300-acre estate against her wishes?
Our mother has severe dementia, Your Honor. She does not even know what year it is anymore.
You are a liar. You just want the cash from those commercial real estate developers. Lower your voice. Sir, are you currently attempting to sell the generational family property?
I have the legal right to liquidate the estate to afford her permanent medical care.
She doesn't need permanent care. She still bakes pies for the church every single Sunday. You claim your mother is baking while your brother claims she is completely incapacitated?
My sister is in deep denial about the tragic reality of our mother's cognitive decline.
The only tragedy here is your staggering greed. You haven't visited her in 5 years. Is that true, sir? Have you been absent from the family farm for half a decade?
I live in the city, Your Honor. I have a demanding career that prevents frequent travel.
You only traveled back when the developers offered $5 million for the acreage.
That offer is a massive blessing. It will secure top-tier nursing care for our mother.
You are securing a nursing home for a woman your sister claims is perfectly healthy?
She wanders the property at night. She is a danger to herself and the community.
She walks the dogs after dinner. You are twisting everything to build a fake case. This court does not operate on sibling accusation. I need to see the medical documentation.
I submitted a comprehensive medical affidavit from a leading neurological specialist.
A specialist who lives 3 states away and has never met our mother in person. Sir, did this physician conduct an in-person evaluation before declaring her legally incompetent?
He conducted a thorough review of her medical charts and behavioral reports.
He reviewed reports that you wrote. You completely fabricated her symptoms. You obtained emergency power of attorney based on a chart review from an out-of-state doctor?
I hired the absolute best specialist available for her specific neurological condition.
That specialist is your golf buddy. You paid him to sign that fraudulent piece of paper.
That is a baseless attack on a respected medical professional. You are hysterical.
If the diagnosis is accurate, why did you hire an out-of-state physician instead of her primary doctor?
Her local doctor is a small-town amateur. I needed a definitive, expert legal opinion.
You needed someone corrupt enough to declare her incompetent without ever looking her in the eye. Your timeline is highly suspicious, sir. The developer's offer and this medical affidavit share the exact same date.
That is merely a coincidence. I was acting as the responsible son to secure her safety.
You were acting to secure your own massive gambling debts before the bank foreclosed on you.
My personal finances are completely irrelevant to this court's jurisdiction over her health.
If you are liquidating a $5 million estate, your financial motivations are absolutely relevant to this court.
I am protecting the family asset before she gives it all away to charity.
It is her property. She can leave it to whoever she wants, not if she is legally incompetent. This power of attorney gives you total control over the sale.
Exactly. And the sale closes on Friday. The facility is already preparing her room.
You sent men to drag her out of her own home this morning. You ordered movers to a 300-acre farm without a finalized court order?
I have the emergency medical mandate. It is my legal duty to relocate her immediately.
It is kidnapping. You are trying to lock her away so she cannot speak for herself. If her condition is as severe as you claim, where is your mother right now, sir?
She is resting safely at the secure care facility. She cannot handle the stress of travel.
You are lying to the judge. You have no idea where she is.
I arranged the transport myself. She is fully sedated and under professional medical supervision.
This court requires her physical presence to validate this extreme transfer of generational wealth.
Bringing her here would be elder abuse. Her mind is completely gone.
My mind is perfectly fine, David, and I walked into this courtroom entirely by myself.
Mom, what are you doing here? You are supposed to be in the secure ward.
Ma'am, please approach the witness stand. Are you the matriarch of this family estate?
I am, Your Honor, and I certainly did not authorize my son to sell my farm.
I told you she was perfectly healthy. He tried to steal her entire life.
She is confused. She wandered away from the facility. Bailiff, she needs medical restraint.
Do not command my bailiff. Ma'am, your son submitted an affidavit declaring you legally incompetent.
My son is a desperate liar who underestimated his mother's ability to hire a taxi.
You do not know what you are saying. The dementia is making you paranoid.
She does not sound paranoid, sir. She sounds remarkably articulate for someone allegedly heavily sedated.
I brought my actual primary care physician's certified evaluation, signed this very morning.
Please hand that folder directly to my bailiff so I can review the genuine medical records.
That document is worthless. A small-town doctor cannot overrule a specialized neurological assessment.
Her doctor actually examined her. Your doctor just cashed a corrupt check. I am reading the certified evaluation now. It states you have 0 cognitive impairment, ma'am. I manage the farm's payroll, I drive my own truck, and I know exactly what day it is.
She is putting on a show. It is a temporary moment of clarity before the decline.
This evaluation includes a brain scan performed yesterday. There is no decline. You lied to this court.
I was trying to protect the family asset. She is too old to manage 300 acres.
You weren't protecting the asset, you were selling it to pay off your own massive debts.
You tried to lock me in a cage so you could profit from my supposed death.
I am your son. Everything I did was to ensure you were comfortable in your final years.
You ensured your own comfort by committing perjury and attempting to orchestrate an illegal eviction. He sent strangers to our house to pack up her belongings while she was sleeping.
I woke up to men trying to force me into a van. I had to climb out a window.
They were medical transport professionals. You are making me sound like a violent criminal.
Because you operated like a criminal, sir. You weaponized the legal system against your own mother.
I am the power of attorney. I had the absolute authority to make those executive decisions.
You had authority over a ghost, David, but I am very much alive.
And you are never stepping foot on our family property ever again.
Half of that farm belongs to me. It is my legal inheritance, and I want my share.
Inheritance is a privilege of the living, sir. It is not an ATM you can rob prematurely.
I will sue the estate. I have invested time and money into securing that developer deal.
You have no estate to sue. I filed a new will with my attorney this morning.
You cannot change the will without my consent. I am the primary beneficiary.
A lucid woman can change her will whenever she pleases. What did you file, ma'am?
I completely disinherited him. The farm goes to Sarah, and he gets absolutely nothing.
You are stealing my future. I need that money to survive.
You tried to steal her life. You deserve exactly what you are getting. This court is officially revoking your fraudulent power of attorney, effective immediately.
Please, Your Honor, if that deal falls through, the bank will destroy me.
Your mother is perfectly lucid, which means your medical affidavit is a documented forgery.
I just wanted my share of the wealth. I did not want to hurt her.
You stopped being my son the moment you tried to put a price tag on my freedom.
You attempted to commit felony elder abuse and massive real estate fraud.
This is completely unfair. I am the victim of a vindictive conspiracy.
The only conspiracy was you trying to sell our generational home behind our backs. Not only is she keeping her farm, but her new will legally erases you from this family.
I have nowhere to go. You cannot just throw me out on the street.
I suggest you find a nice state facility to live in.
The bailiff will escort you out. I am sending this to the district attorney. Case closed.